Hello everyone, a warm welcome from A1 Australia Education Group. I'm Malcolm. Today I'm here to announce in front of you a huge announcement made by IELTS a few days back. IELTS is launching a new test called the IELTS Indicator. As the name suggests, you can take this test and it will give you an indicative score of your actual bands which you have scored in speaking, writing, reading and listening. And the great thing is that this test has been specially designed by IELTS so that you can take it online at home. That's right, you can take it on a laptop or a computer after testing it properly, and once the test ends, within 7 days you will be getting an indicative score of all the 4 modules: speaking, writing, reading and listening. And that's why this test is called IELTS Indicator. The bookings or the registrations for this test start from today, that's the 22nd of April 2020. And you'll get your result of the test in 7 days. That's what's mentioned on the IELTS Indicator website. You can also find out more by going to the website. Again, I'll repeat the name of the website. It's ieltsindicator.com/book. That is where you can check out. Also, not all universities have so far agreed to be a part of this. So if you're looking for an admit to a university or a college, then just go to the website or call the university or the college, or get in contact or get in touch with your agent and find out whether this test is accepted by them or not. This test is mainly for those places where the IELTS testing has been blocked. So if in your country or in your region you cannot take the test, but you think that you need to take it to apply for your university or your visa, your student visa, then definitely this test is for you. Also, since a few months now, IELTS also has been conducting online tests, which is called the IELTS online testing. It's not a paper-based test. You'll have to go to their test center and you'll have to take the test on a computer. And the good thing is that we at A1 Australia Education Group do provide coaching for IELTS. We provide coaching for academic as well as general IELTS, and we have a tutor who has got a score of 8.5 bands overall. That's right. If you want a free trial class, please get in touch with us or call us at 0466 466 We'll be more than happy to help you out with it. And for more announcements, please subscribe to our page and follow our page. We'll be more than happy to share new announcements soon. Thank you. Have a good day.